Hello student, back again with me, Miss Vani. Today we're going to continue our lesson into second unit about living things in the environment. This unit will start with the subtopic 2.1 about food chains in a local habitat. What is it about? Let's have a look. So, do you ever saw a leaves which has hole like this, or maybe you have a garden with this? So if you leave your plants like this, later on the plants will cannot growing well. These animals, we call it as pests. Most of people, they can get rid of this pest using the pesticides or other chemical that will make this pest go away. But actually there's other way to make it easy. You can ask the other animals to eat them. Example, this bird. This bird likes to eat caterpillar, so they can eat this caterpillar. Or lizard. Lizard also likes to eat insects that usually disturb the plants in your garden. So garden is example of a habitat. Other animals can help to fight this pests because it will more natural and easy. We call this as feeding relationship, or how the other animals eat plants or animals eat other animals. This feeding relationship, we can put it in a picture, or we call it depict. We're going to learn how to depict the feeding relationship between some plants and animals. See in this picture, there is cow and the grass. So the cow as animals and the grass as a plant. So the cow is eating the plants and grass, or the grass is eaten by cow. This is the term we're going to use for depict the feeding relationship in this lesson. Or we can change it into arrow. So to depict the feeding relationship, we use arrow in this diagram. So you can write grass, arrow pointing at cow. So it means that the grass is eaten by the cow. The picture we call as food chain. The feeding relationship between some plants and animal, we can put it in the picture, or we can depict it as a food chain. So this is call it as food chain. This is the simple one. Let's see another example. So from this picture you see there is a plant and animal. The plant is a maize and the animal is this grasshopper. So we can say maize is eaten by grasshopper, or to make the food chain, to draw the food chain, we can do it like this. Maize, arrow to the grasshopper. It means that the maize is eaten by the grasshopper. So there are some words going to learn during this lesson. The first one, let's have a look. Where is this animal stay? Yes, correct. The deer is living in the forest, the seal is living in the sea, while the birds they stay on the top of the tree. We call this as the habitat. Habitat is a home in the environment for plants and animals. The next word we're going to learn is species. The species is a particular name for plants or animal. It's usually said in a Latin name, but we're not going to learn it for now. Now you just need to learn the name of each plants or animals near you. Like this one, berries, or this acacia tree, or you have seaweed in the sea. So there's all the example of the species for you to learn. So you have learned in this subtopic that food chains describe the feeding relationship between plants and animals, and you also know that the habitat is a home in the environment for plants and animals. Thank you for joining this lesson with me. See you again next time. Bye.